is that peppermint oil can help out. One of the many benefits of peppermint oil is that it's Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to talk about and actually view a really cool way to remove an unlikely foe that's really small. Perhaps an insect? A tick, perhaps? Well, let the doTERRA peppermint do all the talking, and let that tick get to walking. Here we go.
Okay, I just found a tick, and now I'm going to try to apply some peppermint oil. Peppermint oil, and see how long it takes for him to remove his head.
Is that peppermint oil?
Mm-hmm.
Is he alive?
I guess he's alive.
But he only has one hand.
He's really tiny, Gabe. He has more than 1 foot.
No, one.
Oh, look at that! That was like 20 seconds or something. That was awesome.
He's alive.
He is alive, and he's moving around, and he's trying to get away from the peppermint oil. Look at that. My camera won't stop focusing. You are gonna die, little guy, but that's awesome. doTERRA peppermint oil. Worked awesome. Bye-bye, tick. Got you.
As you know, having a tick is no fun. It can possibly even tick you off. Okay, that's a bad joke. But what's good to know is that peppermint oil can help out. One of the many benefits of peppermint oil is that it's cooling, it helps with focus and alertness, and it's a really great bug repellent. And it's, when you put it on the skin, it's very cooling, and you can imagine like bathing in a whole bath of this stuff. That's what happened to the tick. It released its jaws from the skin and then got to walking. It got to stepping, and that's great news to know that you can use natural solutions that are safe and effective. And what's great about doTERRA is you can actually also, I do like peppermint licks, so I'll put it on the top of my hand, lick it, breathe in deeply. You want to rub your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Make sure it doesn't hit the back of your throat, because if not, you're going to be like, oh my goodness, too strong. But it's a great solution for freshening the breath. I use it as a gum or mint replacement, and it just helps with focus and alertness. And I don't drink coffee or do energy drinks or anything like that, so this is a really good solution for me, and I carry it in my pocket everywhere I go. I also use it on my face with my morning regimen with other oils. What else? I use it in the gym if I don't have Deep Blue with me, on my achy muscles and joints. So many benefits of this thing. It's endless. I could keep going on and on and on. But we're gonna get off real quick here and finish up what we got going. So hey, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below with what you thought of the tick. Was it the peppermint that did it for you? Or is there another oil that you possibly used or have used to help get rid of a pesky little bug or insect? I know TerraShield's also really good as well. Well, hit the like button if you did, and I will see you in the next video.